And so there are times when a client will say no to you, and you are right to be frustrated. You're right to take a closer look at the conversation you just had and identify areas of improvement and make a promise to yourself that you won't let that happen again in future. But there are other times that the no is just a completely valid no on behalf of the client. And so, for example, if I think about a recent sales conversation that I had, it was with a lady who had quite a lot going on in her life. She had two children who were both at different ages going through their exams, their A levels and GCSEs, I think it is, and another child who was going through some very difficult personal circumstances. So 90% of her attention was on being a mum. And she was already struggling and beating herself up that she wasn't putting more time and energy into her business. So it was very evident to me in listening to her talk that right now what she needs to do is to be mum for that family. Because once the exam period is out of the way and things with the other child have settled down, she'll be able to turn her attention fully back to her business, and it will make more sense for her to make an investment in working with somebody like me at that point. So it wasn't just that I respected her decision, but I shared the decision. I also felt that this wasn't the right time.